Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to charge your earbuds Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 using your phone. So basically we have two options how to charge it using your phone. The first one is to use a cable. And all you need to have for this is just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable right to your phone. And at the back side of the charging case we also have USB-C port, so connect the second one right at this port. On the front side we see the LED light, meaning that your earbuds are charging. So it was the first method, and the second one is to use reverse wireless charging, but of course your phone should support this technology, and you can enable it in the settings. So on my Pixel 8 it called battery share, so you just write battery share, or you can also write share, and right here we have battery share. So we need to enable it. Then just put it at the back side of your phone, and we see again the LED light, so it also works. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!